Hello, good afternoon, afternoon, Korn. I am Woody.
Good afternoon, Miss Woody. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm great.
I'm funny. It's funny.
Where did you travel with your family last month?
I traveled to Italy with my family last month. It was very amazing trip. I went to Croatia.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I took photos with my family. It was very exciting for me.
I traveled to Hua Hin with my family last month. First, I stayed at Hua Hin Travel. Then, I went to swim and surf with my brother. Do you ever?
No.
I have saw the biggest coral in the sea. It was fantastic.
Did you live with your family when you were young?
Yes, I did. I lived with my family when I was young. My family were father, mother, and me. Yes.
Yes, I did too. I lived with my family when I was young. They were my father, my mother, my brother, and me.
What kind of movie did you like in the past year?
I like Korean movie Bad Guy.
Why?
It made me cry. Yes.
I like science fiction movies, Avatar, because it's interesting and it's so exciting.
Do you appear in the same movie together?
No, I didn't appear with fun. In the future, I maybe appear with her.
Who was your boyfriend last week?
My boyfriend last week is Dom Pakalam.
Oh,
Yes, he was very handsome and he was an actor together. Yes.
and you?
My boyfriend was Nishikun. He was an actor too, and he's so cute.
Did you ever have your heart broken?
I didn't heartbroken because I didn't have my boyfriend. Yes, I didn't have love.
True. I never have heartbroken before I was famous because I didn't have boyfriend.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
See you
Woody.
soon.